How to enable or disable handoff on the Apple Watch 9. First, you want to go back to the watch face or the clock face by pressing on the crown button on the side here. So press on it to go back to the clock face. Then press on it again to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. And in the settings page, go down. Then tap on general. Now you scroll down. And then tap on handoff. Then tap on enable handoff. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. In here it said handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick up on other devices using your iCloud account. The app you are using on Apple Watch appears in the app switcher on the iPhone and in the dock on your Mac. And that's it. On your iPhone, you can also do the same. You open up the watch app. Then you tap on My Watch. Next, you tap on General. And then go down. And in here, tap on Handoff. So enable handoff. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.